I am making one of my top 5 favorite foods with one of my top 5 favorite people.
Thanks.
Okay, so my chicken schnitzel is juicy fried chicken that's pounded extra thin, so it's really, really crispy. So we are pounding out our chicken breast so that it's really thin so that it gets extra crispy. Once it's about like a quarter inch, you just want it as thin as possible without it breaking. So once it's that thin, then we can get onto the braiding. Okay, these are pounded perfectly. Let's get on to breading. Okay, we're gonna set up a dredging station. We're gonna get flour in this pan. And then do you wanna crack 4 eggs into this pan? Okay, so the chicken is going to get coated in flour, dunked in egg, and then coated in panko breadcrumbs, which will make it really, really crunchy. Do you wanna whip up the eggs with a splash of water? That just makes it easier to coat. And then I'm just gonna add some paprika to the breadcrumbs and then season them with salt and pepper. It'll be so good. Okay, we've got our breading station set up. We've got flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. And now we're just gonna dunk the chicken in these 3 things in that order. So we just take a piece of chicken and get it evenly coated in the flour. And this is gonna help the egg stick. And just make sure that it's all covered in the egg because that is gonna help the crunchy breadcrumbs stick.
And we want maximum breadcrumb adherence.
Yes, exactly. Okay, this one is ready to fry. I have some flavorless oil heating up on the stove, and I'm gonna gently transfer it right in here. And these are getting fried at 360 for a couple of minutes on each side until they're golden brown. Let me flip it. Okay, look at this gorgeous golden color.
Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Yeah, this is a beautiful schnitzel. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it to a wire rack, and this is going to keep it crispy. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper. And now these can hold in a warm oven so that they stay hot until our friends arrive.
Enough chatting, let's get frying.
Gently. It's important not to overcrowd the pan, otherwise it'll drop the temperature of the oil. And we don't want that because then the oil will soak into the breading and make it taste oily. And I keep my thermometer clipped to the side of the pan so that I can make sure that the oil is hot enough at all times. I'll keep on frying these in batches, and then I'll hold these in the oven at 250 to keep them crispy until my friends get here. Let's finish off that schnitzel. Oh my, these look incredible. They are golden and crispy. For the finishing touch, I'll sprinkle them with some parsley. And now schnitzel needs a fresh squeeze of lemon, so I'm gonna garnish with some lemon wedges. I bet Nick is outside already pouring some beers. I'm gonna grab my bites and take them out, and we are going to eat.
Wunderbar!